Welcome back. Today we are at the Jaunt Junkies Design Studio, aka our garage, and we are doing an installation of some new gear on our CanAm Maverick. It's been a while since we got anything done on it, so it's always fun to add new stuff. So let's pull it in out of the cold and see what we have. This is our CanAm X3 XRS. It's a 2019. We have loved this machine. And one of our favorite things is to go out and go on long rides. So we've maximized our exterior storage as much as possible. With our rear box here from Supercomp, our adventure rack, got chairs here. But the problem is, we don't have much storage inside. So that's what we're gonna change. One of the biggest problems with the X3 is interior storage is pretty minimal. I mean, it's a sport side-by-side. It's meant to just go fast, and that's what it does, but we like to have a little bit of our gear in here protected out of the elements, and it'd be really nice to not have to stop, get out, get in the back trunk, or up on the adventure rack, and get out whatever it is we need to continue our ride. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install this Benlari shoulder bag that goes between the driver and passenger seat here. Let's open this up and see what we got. So this is the shoulder storage bag. It looks like it clips on pretty easy. I really like, feels like a nice material. And then if you look inside, look at that orange color. Makes it just stand out and look nice. Then it just has a zipper all the way around. The bottom has a hard plastic. That should help as you put stuff down in, that it's not poking holes through the bottom, all those sort of things. But enough with looking at it, let's put it in. Looking at how to install this, it looks like it just has these plastic clips that just kind of clip around this edge here. So I have my little netting here I need to pop up. Come on. Oh, that button's in there good. There we go.
Take two.
Take two on this. I couldn't get the bottom to go around, so I just removed the little cover here. So now it's just, there we go. That'll be better. There we go. Now, just slide that back down in. All right. Well, that's easy. Go with my buttons here for my netting. Now we can keep all sorts of stuff right inside here. But one thing I was worried about is how it fit if my shoulder would rub on it. But that doesn't stick out that far. That's nice. I like it. That's going to be so much better to put all of our miscellaneous in, right? Gloves, all that sort of stuff. Let's see what we can get to fit in here. So I have my Vortex binoculars here. Wow, that is a perfect fit there. So handy to have them there instead of in the back where I can't get to them. So binoculars can fit. Also our Sena Tough Talk headsets. Let's see how they go. So we could put both of those in there. Just kind of arrange it a little bit. I mean, it's tight, but that's nice. That's going to be so much nicer when we stop somewhere that we can actually put them away so that we aren't just hanging them here where somebody could grab them. I really like how compact it is, but yet how it expands up and has a nice hard bottom. This is going to be sweet. Especially when we're out in the snow, we could throw goggles and all that sort of stuff in here. Always love a new storage device. It's just gonna be so nice not to have to jump up on top every time to get something out. Granola bars, whatever. If you're interested, just click on the link down below. It'll take you right to it. Benlari has been great to work with, a really good company so far. Really nice quality product. I'm really happy with it, and I can't wait to get out and try it now. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and enjoy your weekend.